Hi everyone, this is a video about this Braun Series 9 shaver cleaner that you put your shaver in here and just turn it back on, and then using these sort of containers to wash and clean your and lubricate your shaver, your Series 9 shaver. And this system is being used throughout some of the similar type of the shavers. And I was thinking that, for instance, excuse a little bit of hair in here. I just wanted to show you, I was a little bit puzzled what is happening when all the hair is going to here, and then how is not coming back up here. And I thought, okay, this is a good question. Maybe many of you out there, you have questions there as well, that the liquid is coming out of here and going down from the other holes back there, and then it has some sort of pump that is pumping it back up. And then here is the one that I just cut off to just show you. This hole is the one that liquid is coming up, and it has a mesh down there. If you look at it, I have a little bit damaged it during the sewing and taking it, putting it in the vise and cutting it. But this is just for the purpose of this video. I have washed this thoroughly, and as you see, the pump is pumping the liquid from here upwards, and then coming to here, and then going back down from this hole. This hole has no protection whatsoever. Whatever that is coming out of your shaver is going back down to here. And then on this part, let me just put this a little bit to the corner, and this one here, and this one there. And here you have some compartments that your beard is going to sleep down there. And then there is a ridge between here that the water that is coming here, it's giving it a little bit of time to settle down here, and then the water is coming back up here and is sucking the water. Is not a water, is alcohol based with some sort of liquid and some perfume sort of liquid in there. And then it's just going from here and going back down from here, and then within this separation partition that is in here, it doesn't allow the liquid that is full of beard just directly going to this side. So it has a little bit of way to make throughout here, and then is just sucking it from the top of the liquid, not from the bottom of the liquid. And somehow is just separating the beard and the liquid, and to wash it properly. But I have to tell you that some of the liquid, if you shouldn't shake this, and if you shake it, obviously all the beard that they are settling down in here, they are going past through all here. And if I just demonstrate it back in here, let me just get rid of this sticker from here just to show you. And if you look at it, the liquid is coming from here and going down to there. So this part is the dirty part and this part is the clean part. So as you see here, there are not much of hair here. All of it is down here and up back in here, not anywhere here. But still, the liquid is just somehow contaminated with your beard, and that's why they are saying, as soon as this one is showing you, by showing you this red light here, that the liquid is too low, you have to change it. But some people, they put alcohol in here, some sort of lubricant in here, mix it up, but they can't see if this one is stuck back here. They can't see the amount of hair that is accumulated in here. So because of that, so they are just making a big mistake to do that, because they are wasting their alcohol as well, or whatever that they are putting in here to sanitize their shavers. And another thing that I wanted to mention here, it was that the liquid is evaporating because it's alcohol based. So some people, they are leaving this cartridge in here, and throughout, you know, the matter of month or 2 months maximum, all the liquid or all the alcohol is evaporating, and then leave the liquid just bare lubricant and, you know, water-based liquid in here, and it doesn't really sanitize your shaver. So as soon as you finish cleaning it, I advise you to keep the top of the lid on, and then when you are finishing, you just take it out and put this back on. Even I am using it in some sort of OCD ways, that, you know, as soon as is finished cleaning it, I just open it and take it out, and then letting it dry. And, you know, it has a fan to dry your Series 9 shaver or whatever that is in similar shape. And I get it out, I put the top on to avoid any evaporation of alcohol and liquid from here. So that's the way to do it, and I never ever, you know, leave it in here for more than the time that is actually cleaning it, because after cleaning it's just and drying is starting to charge your shaver, and that might take another 2 hours or an hour and a half. So it's better to get this out. And if you just do the same that I have done from here, you can see the amount of beard that is in here. So you can shake it to this side and get all of these back to this side. And as you see, this one is supposed to be bright blue, and now after 3 or 4 times of use is a little bit not shiny blue, not really blue, is just a little bit, you know, the color is tarnished. So now that's you know, how to use this, and that's how is doing the cleaning and separating the beard from the liquid and the pump that is pumping it up there, and bringing all the liquid back down from that hole to this separation, this partition, in order to separate the beard from the liquid. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.